Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, divergence, stochastic RSI and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 9.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 46,806. We can see that the sellers are taking over because the volume was high, showing that this move was strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 200 SMA downwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 49,569. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, the crypto is being oversold because both the %K and %D lines are currently very low. This means that we can expect a change in the trend, or for the crypto can remain at least stable for some time. You should wait to see if the trend will in fact go up because the K line has yet to cross the D line. Moving to the hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. We can expect for the price to continue going down or perhaps remain at least stable because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 200 SMA downwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 48,270. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so it should be waited to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 46,112, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA, that is at 48,769, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The momentum is currently indecisive, according to the MACD histogram. This means you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish, due to the expected shifting momentum. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.